Welcome to the Dive Heart First podcast, where we clear out the troubles of the mind so that we can dive into the guidance, intuition, and intelligence of the heart. I'm your host, Jenn Walker, and today we are going to talk about belief. So I have a belief, and I really like it, and I'm going to share it with you now. So I have a belief that everything is always working out for me in my benefit. And with any sort of belief, a belief is nor right or true. It's just a belief. And we have a lot of beliefs in the subconscious or unconscious part of our minds that run the show. So beliefs create thoughts, which create feelings, which then create actions and habits and behaviors. And so those are unconscious beliefs. And we can typically know what our unconscious beliefs are from our behavior. And we can also choose what beliefs that we would like to have. And so, this is the type of belief I'm talking about today, the type of belief that we get to choose. And for me, I take my beliefs through one sort of filter to see which ones I want to keep around. And that one filter is really simple and powerful. All it is a question of, does this belief give me more power or less power? A different way to say that is, does this belief give me more energy or less energy, more confidence or less confidence? So, with this belief that I just shared with you, it's a belief that I consciously chose. And with it, it gives me a lot of energy and power and confidence, and I love it. And it starts as like a mantra, like something that we choose to say over and over and over again. Then we choose to take the belief and look at different things in our life through that beliefs filter. When we do things enough in repetition consciously, all of a sudden, then it's fired and wired in the subconscious mind. Then it runs on autopilot. So, this simple belief of everything is always working out for me in my benefit is something that I consciously chose. And I've been firing and wiring it enough times that it's just truly what I believe. If ever down the road it no longer serves me, great, I can always just change that belief. But right now, what I notice around it is it has given me so much peace and freedom. And it's kind of fun. So, irregardless of my preferences or what I think I might want or desire, I always know that my intentions and my goals, have a limited approach to them. So I can choose something that I might want to have, but at the end of the day, that's limited out of my reality of how I know it. And so when anything doesn't happen within my preference or life takes me a different way, I truly have this belief, well, everything is always working out for me in my benefit. And so this is where I don't need to know why or how. I just have tons of evidence when I look back with like all the kind of plot twists, the pivots, the things that didn't work out, quote unquote, the things that didn't work out always have worked out better and to my benefit. So anyway, I just share that little approach, and I share that belief as it's my favorite. It's absolutely one of my favorites. It has completely changed my life in which I look at things, even going through things that are obviously not desirable and uncomfortable. I always have it running in the background of like, oh, everything always works out for me in my benefit. So it allows me to go through the sticky stuff in life or the challenging stuff with more ease and more comfort, knowing that on the other side of it, I know how this thing works. Everything always works out for me in my benefit. So, anyway, that's it. If you like that belief, feel free. Take it. Take it as yours. Use it as a mantra and then take it and use it as a filter as you look at different things within your life. Also, look for evidence. Look for evidence of that already being the case in your life. Maybe a job that didn't work out, a relationship that didn't work out, et cetera, et cetera. And you might not like this belief. So, what's a belief that you would like to have running in the background? Choose it, claim it, practice it, put it on repeat until it becomes part of the operating system in the background, leading to different thoughts, feelings, experiences, actions, and habits and behaviors, and therefore results. So that's it for me for today. Until next time, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. I love you, and go out